Have you ever wondered why those pesky hiccups sneak up on us at the most inconvenient times? Let me share a little secret about this curious phenomenon that seems to baffle everyone at one point or another. Hiccups can strike after a big meal when you're laughing too hard or even out of the blue while watching your favorite show. Each hiccup is a tiny spasm of the diaphragm, that muscle responsible for breathing, making it feel like your body is having a little party without you. Ever notice how it feels like time stands still when you're hiccuping? People around you start watching like it's a live show, and suddenly all eyes are on you. In a bid to stop the hiccup madness, you might find yourself trying those wacky home remedies that your friends insist work like magic. From drinking water upside down to holding your breath, everyone has their go-to tricks.